To begin, lie on your stomach face down. Move your arms back, squeezing your shoulders blades together. Inhale up, exhale down. And exhale down. Prone alternating arm and leg lifts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And little bit relax. This is good exercise for your spine. Prone alternating arm and leg lifts. Keeping your elbow and knee straight, rise one arm and your opposite leg at same time, then lower them and repeat on with your other arm and leg. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale and 9 up. Exhale and 10 relax. Lie on your stomach face down. Raise your right arm and stretch your left leg. Raise your left arm and stretch your right leg. Your foot together and stretch. Begin to rise your upper body slowly. Rise your arms up and stretch. And exhale. And up. Exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. Good job. Bend your right arm at the elbow. Press your left hand to the floor. Twist your right leg. And exhale. Bend your left arm at the elbow. Press your right hand to the floor. Twist your left leg. Begin to rise your upper body slowly and do child pose. From a seated position, extend your right leg. Extend your left arm up and bring it down toward your right foot. And 3, open, 4, exhale, 5, inhale up, and 6, exhale, 7, 8, 9, open and close, and keep it. And open. Good job. And then extend your left leg, extend your right arm up and bring it down toward your left foot. And 4, open, 5, and 6, 7, open, 8, good job, and 9, inhale, exhale 10, and keep it. Abdominal and buttocks muscles. Lift your hips to draw your belly button back toward your spine. Reach towards your foot. And exhale down. Keep your hands together. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Bend your knees and press them toward your stomach. Close your arms and press them to the floor. Twist to the right side, inhale to the center, and exhale, twist to the left side. And continue.